Attention, attention! It's time to go home. Bye bye, assholes.
I'd like to thank my mom, my dad. Let's see over there. Got what? What's happening? Fuck you. What? You. Do you have any last words?
Last words? Last words, people are gonna die already.
Then never mind. Do you have any?
Yes, I wish all of you do very well.
That's good. What about you?
Wait, I want to take a picture with him.
Oh, me?
Hey.
Why cannot press?
What happened?
Are you retarded?
Hey, you got anything to say or not?
Wait, I say this first. You are the first shitty person.
Yeah, you are the first shitty person.
Huh? Let me repeat. You are the first shitty person he is gonna interview.
Got anything to say or not?
Nothing to say.
You sure?
Nothing.
Oh shit, you.
Interview me.
Oh, you got anything to say, sir?
Hold on. What's wrong? You are the second shitty person he's gonna interview. That's what he said just now.
Second person that shitty. Are you sure?
I think so.
I'm such an awesome person. Give me the mic lah.
Hey, hold on.
I feel very blessed to be in 5B. Yeah. For the past, cause I just joined 4C, right? Yeah. I really love to be with your class, and I think it's very awesome. I have an awesome 1 year.
He's not the only one. Actually, I also.
Yeah, he also.
We go find other people. Come, let's go. I love them. Oh yeah. Same. Let's go. Hey, excuse me. Got anything to say, sir? Jialat, group photo never show me. Oh yeah, anything to say?
Hello. Hey, Bing Hian, you think camera start, huh? Bing Hian, huh?
You got anything to say? What about you?
Love the Sec 5 NA.
Oh yeah, I got the same feeling as you also. Let's go.
Take a photo.
Oh, let's have a video. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. Other place.
Thanks.
Who wants to be interviewed? You want to be interviewed? Okay. Man, you got anything to say?
I love all of you and I wish all of you the best.
Let me say something. Just now he said he will only interview shitty people.
I hope I am not in his list. But if I am, it doesn't matter because he is more shit than me. So it's okay.
Ignore that shit. It's not my problem, okay? It's mine, okay? I'm Shawn Tan. Excuse me. And we are reporting here from live, I think, from the school canteen. Yeah, if you forget it, okay. Let's go.
I cannot see my face.
They also cannot see my face. Hey, don't go. 我去别的地方。很好玩呢。Where's the TV? Hey, what about you? Hey, you see our vice chairperson are doing nothing.
Okay, Ken. Let me say something. Do you know that he only interviews shitty people?
Yes, I agree with you.
Okay, that's good.
You just got owned, I think. Hey. Okay. So, do you have anything to say?
I have a lot of things to say.
What do you say?
Let's say. Let me say something.
Yes.
Just now, before he started interviewing, he said he will only interview shitty people. Shitty people.
Shitty people.
Yes, shitty people.
But only shitty people will interview shitty people.
That's what you are.
Oh, that's what you are.
You are getting this on
camera? Are you getting this on camera?
Oh shit.
All credits to me.
All credits to him.
You got anything to say?
You got anything to say? You got anything to say?
I already say my piece lah, but you got anything to say, sir? I just got all on TV, I think.
Oh, I got something to say. I like trains.
Hold on, let me say something. Before the interview started, he said he only interviews shitty people. Shitty people.
No. I didn't say that. You can replay the video and then you watch it. Yeah, I didn't say that.
I got something to say. Man U sucks, Chelsea rules.
That's not true because Chelsea got trashed by Man U 2-1. Come on.
Hey, this is me and my married friend.
Hey, you got something to say.
Hi.
Okay, he's just wasting our shitty time. Let's just go. Gay teacher of the year. Oh, I think I have fun already.
Here is a photo.
Huh? Yeah, look at all those photos. They are amazingly done. I don't know what is that. There's no me in the photo. Shit them.
For obvious reasons.
Shawn and I'm a reporter. No, this is a video.
I've got 2 words to say. Bye bye.
Well, that's weird. Look at him. You guys want to take photo first? Take it first. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's do it.
Hi, I'm Jasmine and I'm handsome. Thank you, bye-bye.
What a show off. Look at him. Show off. Let's go interview some other people. Got anything to say?
No.
Hey son, you got anything to say? Come on, don't be shy.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
I don't know what he say. What you want?
Sorry, I dropped the cap.
No, excuse.
Sorry.
Get away from me. 哎，还有那里啊，还没有讲。我还说手酸了。I don't know, last one 了。Hey, anyone got anything to say?
Shawn is a big fat pig.
She's just lying. No thumbs up for that.
Shawn is a big ass moron.
All of those who say negative things about me are just lying. They actually like me.
Yeah, you fat pig, you annoying fat pig.
That's not true. Seriously, that's not true. What you want me to do now? You want to pay me overtime? You want to pay me overtime? Seriously, I very hardworking idiot. But you want me to work overtime?
Never gonna give you up.
Never gonna let you down.
Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye.
Why the mic like that? Hey, who I want to ask?
Oh.
Hey, how about we all do one regrow one? Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Nice day. Don't be surprised. I don't know. Hey, I have myself on here. Come on. Oh, the security guy is gonna piss me off. He's gonna piss me off.
Wait, you ever get security guard reason?
I don't know, no. I just see what you want to say.
The security guard reason.
Very tired and you catch a movie at 2:30 and then he said he can only open the door at 2. Shit him. Now it's already 11:47. Uncle, 几点可以走？
几点多走？
为什么2点？
对，so great。对，thanks。啊？怎么呢？
咩嚟嘅？大黑那老。
哦，对。
然后再讲。台湾你
点而已。
上面上司给的。
Uncle 你不要拿。好玩的 Uncle 好玩的。Uncle 你拿掉的时候你不会放下的。OK 我们不要吵 Uncle 了 ，Uncle 很累哦。我们去吵别人。派 ，Welcome to the bazaar. I think they should do a good job on it. Look at that damn balloon right there. It's flying high. They are wasting balloon right now. Come on. Government said not to waste resources and you guys just did all those shit. Ken. Let's go to the sweet tricks. Express your love through song. What do we have? What do you guys have?
Oh, we guys are selling cupcakes and we are selling brownies. 3 more left. Only 1 for 250.
1 for 250. Whoa.
Yeah, pre-orders are available at 150.
Oh, pre-order the class least one.
Yeah.
Let's go there. Highlighters, pens. I can easily get them on popular bookstore. A t-shirt, guys. Look. Usual price 12.90, actual price 9.90. That's just a scam. They just put 9.90 at there only. Dude, guys, what's the biggest size you guys have? XL. Only XL.
Yeah.
God, I need double XL. $10. Yeah, it's around there, right? Okay, let's go out of place. Hey, Miss Chai over there. Wow, looky what we have here. We got Miss Chai over here. Hey, hi man, you remember me or not? Come on, you don't remember me? Man, hey, 拍妹管你，我叫你拍妹吗？哎，你不要顶！Man, you got anything to say? Hey, 快点过来！Man, you don't hide me. Man, you got anything to say or not? Man 0-0 leh, not bad. Can become Singapore goalkeeper. Man, wait. Man. Man ignoring me, yeah, not funny. This is so dumb. Man ignore me. What is out there? You see behind me, 黑白切 slackers, yeah. They eating 黑白切 when working. Wow, damn slack. You shut up, lah. You shut up. Hey, go there and see got what? Hey, hi. Who? Who's that at the front? Yako. Ma'am. Stop. Wait. Ma'am. Yeah, come quick. Ma'am, you got anything to say or not?
No.
Really?
Really?
Emo girls, yeah, like nothing to say like that.
Good to know Shawn will always remember this boy.
You see, people remember me even when I'm outside, okay? That's good. I gotta find some more, I don't care. Hey, go Gio! Your last look at the Gio, I think. Shit them.
No, we're coming tomorrow.
Huh? Are we?
I don't know.
Hey, hi. Where are they right now? Okay. Dear colleagues, house screening tomorrow. Be ready. Done, I think we can't go in. Shit them. I'm very tired already.
And here is the bazaar. Our reporter will be reporting to you.
Well, you can see now they're going to set a new world record, but I doubt they can do that. Seriously. Sir! Hello! Got anything to say?
Gerard,
Say something about me. Say something about me.
I cannot do it.
Can lah, don't racist, come on.
Okay, I just want to wish all the best to you, Shawn, and the rest of your classmates. All the best for your O-levels. May you have all your whatever wishes come true in your life. Thank you.
Well, thank you, and let's go look for others. Ignoring me. Remember me?
Shawn Tan.
How you know?
You look so cute.
Okay. Okay, do you got anything to say to the Sec 5 or anything?
Yeah.
My Sec 4 donuts last year. Work hard. Awkward.
Yeah, it's awkward. He's just standing still right there, doing shit stuff. Thank you. I think let's just go. Okay, the world record. They are going to leave off the balloon soon. I think. Harif, Fahan, Rick Roll, come, Rick Roll, come. See the balloon. They have to leave off the balloon. Wow, 2 amazing balloons. I'm in the air right now. Wasted balloons. Oh, I'm so tired. We are going. Oh shit, that balloon is spoiling the whole thing. One lucky boy right there caught the damn balloon. Hey, boy there. Hello, got anything want to say? Same. Huh? Cannot hear.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah.
I love 5B.
Huh? They just say I love 5B and I think I do. Do you want to go down?
That's not.
Go down, there's more things to see.
There you see that.
No! No, I'm not going to die, come on! Okay, got that. I'm very tired already, I see over there. Ah, so stupid. How about we go now? I got more things to do downstairs. Don't run. Oh, what you want to say? Say here.
I don't want.
Face it.
I don't want.
Hey, why you don't want?
I don't want.
You sign. You sign. Why? You at that one ah?
Yes, go and support the
Then what are they doing?
They are doing charity.
Like what?
Like what?
How they help?
No.
Come on, a little bit more only. No. So very strong. Hey, ma'am over there, principal. Ma'am! Hi ma'am! Do you have anything to say?
Do I have anything to say?
Yeah. I think maybe you can say that anything about me also.
He's a very nice chairperson.
He is a nice chairperson. If your class says so, then that's why.
I love 5B. Say I love 5B.
They are forcing you.
I'm being forced to say this, but okay, I love 5B. But that goes for all the. But that goes for all the other classes too.
but she loves 5B more because she said our class one. Let's assume. Okay, take photo.
Are you tired?
Yeah, I'm damn tired. Is this recording?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's go. Hey, ma'am. Got anything to say? For me. About me, maybe our class, or your class, or anything.
This is for, you're videoing for?
For FA. Oh, FA.
Okay, Shawn is very cute.
That's what they keep saying, and I like it, I think.
5B, you will do the teachers proud. So keep working hard, okay? Only about 5B.
Okay, other class also.
4G my form class, you're the best.
Begin. Cut that part out. Seriously, cut that part out.
I'm going to cut that part out.
Hey, hello. Huh? I will take orange. Take orange. Why? One more. After a tough job, I got a free Yakult. This Yakult is $1 per bottle.
Why I don't have?
Wait. Yakult is nice. Hey, Miss Fong. Hi, Miss Fong. Got anything to say?
Say what? I'm very tired now. Hey, do you put on makeup?
tired.
You put on makeup?
No
you put on makeup?
I don't know.
So how is it like putting on makeup?
It's okay, I think. It's helped to something to do with the skin. I don't know.
What's the makeup for?
For my pimples. It's embarrassing.
So is this the first time you're putting on makeup?
Yeah. Why?
So what brand do you use?
Oh, I don't know.
Who helped you with the makeup?
That's secret. I can't say. But let's get back to the point. Do you have anything to say to the
who?
class? To me, maybe?
I please y'all lah. Can y'all do better for EL or not?
That's what she keeps saying in the class, but no one ever does that. Okay.
Does that.
Oh, okay, does that. Oops. Sorry.
Already, I please y'all already.
Okay, got other teacher or not? Let's go. Wait ah. Excuse me, may I know who are you? Oh yeah, I'm afraid they don't talk. What about you? Do you talk? Okay, what you want to say?
I love you guys.
What about you? Can you talk? Hi. He's on fire. I just spoiled it. Let's go to the mirror. Go to the mirror. We are heading to the mirror.
Hey, we need to go in there. How do we go in?
Go in, man. How to go in? Hey, how to go in? Anyone know how to go in? Oh, shit, you. Oh, shit, them. Sir, how to go in? Hey, sir. Hey, nice one. You got anything to say?
I've been hiding this secret for the past 5 years already.
Secret.
Yeah. It's, if I don't say it now, I'll never have a chance, Shawn. Shawn.
Yes.
Can I tell you?
Yeah. Hey, pay我yes.
你欠我的钱几十万？
什么钱？
欠我跟我借钱，7万几十万。
我借你钱，我
跟我借1块钱，你几时还给我？啊，没有还。BOA teacher always like that one, so stingy one. They just want money only. Money. 哎，是不是同车你进去？哎 ，excuse me.
What's happening over here?
The wire. Oh, tiok me.
Shawn.
What?
John, take a photo.
That's okay. Hey, are we doing countdown or anything? Hey, what's your feeling to be in the middle?
I'm very happy.
You're very happy to be in the middle. What about you?
I'm very excited and Shawn sucks.
You're just jealous.
I'm happy because I got balloons.
Sad childhood, never play balloon.
Unlike someone who no balloon, don't sad lah.
I got red one some more. I mean, hey.
Look, you got red, he got a lot more, okay? Hey!
Same!
Do not release! Oi!
Hey, release, same!
Yeah! It's tired to be in the middle, but who cares? See the Jabberwockies over there? See, they are invading the territory. Not bad. But hey, you should do the mask also. Hey, you should let me the mask. Oh, come on. Look at that. He's over there. The Jabberwocky over there. Hey, come on, guys. Not me. Oh, seriously, not me.
你 record 啦，那边你拍 video 的时候，他会什么啊？他会自己拍，有声音嘛
Oh, man angry.
Interview man.
They come and have. Principal also have.
新加没有。Hello man， 走了。要看 Miss Chai 了。That one she keep running away 啊，make me run only. Okay, but here get a full view ah. So you think you cute? Yeah, say got any last words? Happy New Year. Happy New Year, seriously dude, come on.
Let me rest.
Okay. Hey, not on my head lah. Squeeze lah.
Hello.
Anything to say?
Nothing. Shawn, you suck. You're the worst chairperson ever in Sec 4D.
They are lying on me. Come on, I got enough evidence to prove that I get.
Cutest chairperson of 4D O10.
See, hardcore evidence. That's all I need.
But you still suck.
I enjoyed working with Shawn last year.
I miss 4D O10. I miss 4D too.
Yeah, we all miss 4D. Woo!
See,
Return to us.
Stop. You see, I told you.
But Shawn still sucks. This is on Channel 5 News. This is the news.
I'm not the side, I'm the mid. Release!
Release! Look at her, the face are amazing. But here you get on her.
Let's rock, bitches! Let's rock, bitches!
What did you say?
Blah blah blah. Shawn sucks.
Yeah, they're faking. The views is too awesome. It's a nice view up there. Begin. Begin. Got it. Hey, got anything to say? Hey, 要不要上去拍
Okay, bye. Best time.
Yeah, you see.
You're really the best chairperson ever and you're the cutest ever. Look at him! Why got
No, it's pimple cream. Don't touch it. Later I scared. Never mind. It's alright. Hey,
Shawn is the best.
Wanna go second floor? Oh, wait up. Second floor got Leonard Ong. Let's go bomb Leonard Ong. Let's go Leonard Ong. Last interview, I will try to get Miss Nintya right now. Hi, ma'am. Do you got anything to say?
I love you guys. I'm glad I did this. No regrets at all. I'm very, very tired. I need to rest. All the best for your exams. Continue to do me proud. And Shawn, we need to exercise together. Yes, Shawn, you.
Look at this face. I'm not happy at all. Okay, but why you cry?
No.
You say what's your last words?
Nothing.
Why? Hey, pie. Say your last word.
I want all my friends to study hard.
To do what?
I want all my friends from 4B, 5B and 4A to study hard.
Heard that? Study hard, understand? You want to go to your poly of your choice or your JC or your choice, it depends on whether you study or not, guys. Hanky cat eh? Hello sir. You got anything to say?
About what?
About me, maybe about me, my class, something.
Good luck and all the best for your O levels. And to Shawn too.
Yeah, you said that, you heard that right? To me also, okay, let's get, I don't know who to get here. Maybe I'm getting one soon also. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Shawn.
Bye. Hey.
You're still videoing?
Yes, ma'am, you got anything to say?
What?
What? The focus Anything to say?
I love all
all my FNN students 5A, 5B, and I wish them all the best for their O levels, and of course to all the graduating, those who are taking N level and O levels, all the best to them. Yes. What's your name? Shawn. Yes, all the best to Shawn.
See, most teacher know me, I think. Wait, down there. Ma'am, you got anything to say? Come on, say it.
All the best for the fourth.
That's too common, man. That's too common.
You are fearless.
Maybe still.
Maybe. Hey, oh, you guys waiting for me? Hey, Rick. Hey, man, over there. Hey, man, bye-bye. Bye-bye. You cannot hear my crap already here.
No, I interview him. Start right. Okay. Hi, I'm Meldrick, and I'm Sec 5 this year. I graduate today. Okay, I'm gonna interview Shawn. I know his name is Shawn, so what's your name?
My name
doesn't matter! His name is Shawn or not. Goodbye.
Well, I think that's the end.
I haven't said anything yet. I'm Goya basically, and I'm from 513. This is who is this?
Huh?
Who is this?
I don't know. Gorilla! I'm Gorilla!
Gorilla. And this, you see this?
My name is Hugo. Hi.
Yeah, Buntek. Taxi driver, yeah. And I'm signing off with mopping from 513. Bye.
Start. This is Meldrick signing in. Hi again. Okay, I'm going to interview a person. Hi, what is your name? It doesn't matter if your name is Eric or not. What is your name? It doesn't matter if your name is Chunua or not. What is your name? He has no name. Okay, goodbye.
哦，很累啊，小。要去哪里
？Memories in pain in the middle of September.
Yeah, whatever. So what if you can sing? Let's go look for others. There. Hi, what's your name?
Hello.
It doesn't matter. No, I'm asking you, do you have anything to say? It doesn't matter. That's all? It doesn't matter.
I have nothing to say.
Why? You need to slim down soon. I get those a lot, but who cares about it? I don't even... It doesn't matter. Interference, I don't even care. It doesn't matter. He's annoying me right now, we better go.
Yeah, I got people lah.
Face, serious face. Okay, face me. Okay. Guys, this is Shawn. Haris is with me. Farhan is with me, and we are very sad that we have a very important message to say. Done.